Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF using Microsoft Word. I've got a PDF file on my desktop. It's a gift certificate for a spa that I want to give to my wife. When I try to open it with Adobe, it asks for a license to edit. So instead, I'll be using Microsoft Word. To get started, type Word in the Windows search bar and open the app. Then click Open. Navigate to the location of the PDF and select the file. When prompted to convert the file, just click OK. Once the file is open, click Enable Editing to make your changes. As you can see, I'm making adjustments to suit my needs. When you're done, go to File and choose Save As to select where you want to save the edited file. Give it a new name and decide whether to save it as a Word document or a PDF. And that's it. You've now got an easy way to edit any PDF file. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.